A combination of ginger, cloves, and licorice root is indeed a powerful natural remedy for chronic coughs. These three ingredients soothes throat irritation and inflammation, clears mucus from the airways, making it easier to breathe, boosts immunity to fight any underlying infections that might be contributing to the chronic cough. Drink this 1 to 2 times daily. For more such videos, keep watching Health Plus.